Installation of brackets. Installation of grilled heating plate. Place 3 pieces of grilled heating plates inside the grilled body. Installation of cooking grate. Place the cooking grate inside the grilled body. Placing griddle. Installation of oil drip box. Place the oil drip box along the guide rails at the bottom of the grilled body. Installation of match holder. Unscrew the screw. Insert the screw into the end of the match holder, then tighten the screw to secure the match holder. Installation of propane cylinder. Connect the propane cylinder with the regulator valve and tighten. Installation of LP gas tank. Connect and tighten the smaller hose assembly to the regulator valve. Larger hose assembly to the tank. Press in the corresponding control knob and rotate counterclockwise. The burner should be lit immediately. The fire can be adjusted by turning the knob. Turn the control knobs clockwise to turn off the burner.